My name is Tina Collazo, and I'm with Epico Solutions Group. I'm here to share with you today on what you can do to renovate your bedrooms to get your house ready for the market. The first thing you're going to do is address your flooring. So obviously bedrooms have carpet in them. So you got to have a couple options here, especially for if you have just a regular home. You don't need to do anything extra fancy. Buyers just want to see a fresh floor, brand new. So for example, I have a couple colors you can choose from, a light brown or even a gray. A lot of people go with light brown because it's very neutral. This color is called cookie dough. Now, the trend is gray. So this is a lighter gray. I think it's called Dove. You're thinking that's gonna look too dark. Actually, it looks very classy. And again, I have this saying, your competition is not your neighbor. It's new construction. So this is what a lot of people are doing now. And if you have already saw my other tips, whether it's a bathroom renovation, kitchen renovation, or just what to do to renovate your whole home, I've always shared with you brown or gray options. So obviously you would do this with your gray options. The last thing you would want to consider too is good padding. So this is a 6-pound padding right here, and that's what, when you do get flooring installed, this is what you want to go with, 6 pounds. For my high-end homes, for example, you're not going to want to put regular carpet in. You're going to want to upgrade, and you're going to want some texture flow to it. So these are some examples you can choose from. You have this is more like a posh appeal, and you have like a stylish appeal, but you want some flow. And you want to, again, go with either a light brown or a light gray color. Very elegant, but again, if your home is like $1 million or more, this is probably more the route you want to go for your options. The second change you're going to make is very simple and easy. Paint. Paint makes a huge difference. It's fresh just as much as the floor, replacing the flooring is fresh. So there's just 2 colors that I recommend. Keep it very easy for you to choose from. Agreeable Gray and City Loft, and that's by Sherwin-Williams. And the last change you're gonna make is just making sure your hardware, such as like your door hinges, the door handles to the closet, to the door to the room, make them just brushed nickel. Keep it really easy, and also update them, because sometimes the color, it gets a little rusty. You want everything to come across fresh so that people don't have to replace anything. So those are my 3 tips. Hopefully these tips to update your bedrooms have been very helpful to you. Whether you have a starter home or a luxury home in a gated community, we would love to be your real estate resource of choice and help you through this process. Give us a call at 202-255-9373.